Overseas Council had been serving in Asia for quite a while because the work started in Asia in 1972, and I find what Overseas Council has done is to transform lives of students studying in theological seminary, but also preparing them to be Christian leaders in their community. I would like to tell you a story of a student called Guru Swami, who studied at the Colombo Theological Seminary. This was a student who came to the seminary from a non-Christian background or a person of other faith, and he found that Christ meant something different for his life. So he accepted Christ, and he also felt that Christ was calling him to serve him. So he came to the city of Colombo and started studying at this seminary. But because lack of funds, etc., he started living among the hut dwellers, and he also had a purpose of staying there to communicate the gospel to these people. He wanted to share with them the love of Christ. But when he realized that these people were needy people, there were various needs, but he realized that the primary need of these people was of health and hygiene. There were no toilets, no bathing facilities, no fresh water, no electricity. And he realized that his studies and his communication of the gospel is not going to work unless he befriended these people and did something that will make a difference to lives of these people. So he conscientized these people, he made them aware of their needs and worked with them and with the government agencies, the Municipal Corporation of Colombo City, so that people were able to get their rightful place in the society. They were provided with toilets, they were provided with bathing places. Government also provided the full running water for them and also electricity. And once Guru Swami did that, his studies had a new meaning for him, but also he became a well-respected leader of this community. And then he started sharing the gospel with these people. They were willing to listen to him. And today, Guru Swami is a pastor of this community, having a well-thriving congregation and making an impact and difference to the lives of people in that hutman dwell or shanty of Colombo City. Overseas Council has made a difference to the theological seminaries primarily by providing scholarship to the students who would not have been able to study because of lack of any kind of resources. And it has changed the lives of people, it has transformed their lives, and they are now leaders who are transforming lives within the society.